So here everyone is there. This is all the cars we have here in the
I've started one.
car meter.
I've got an Instagram page already.
So we will see here everyone. They are standing. See, everyone is there. Friend is there. This is my friend. See, the spiker boys are there. Bro, may I know about yourself?
Farhan Happy.
Yeah. So what you have?
H2.
H2. Sorry, I think maybe you reached late. That's why I missed your video. But anyways, we will click videos next time. Sure.
Sure,
Okay.
thank you.
So there.
Let's start off with the introduction of our brotherhood.
This is Keen, the admin and the founder of the KMC, Keen Motor Community.
Also, this is Mustafa, one of our admins in KMC.
Farhan Happy from Biker Syndicate.
Mohammad Shahab Ansari. No one.
Nobody. From Biker Syndicate.
And Arch will be leading today for all bikers.
Sorry?
I'm Aish, Keen's daughter.
I'm Michael. I'm new here.
Jeremy, newbie. Hi, I'm Atif from Brotherhood. Hi, I'm Ashish, Atif's friend.
Special.
That's it.
He is
No, no,
Nihal.
you need to tell.
Nihal. Next gen.
Next gen.
Wildcard entry.
Okay.
Arsalan from Brotherhood. Shibin from Brotherhood.
Salman from Brotherhood. Junaid from Brotherhood.
Keen from KMC.
Okay, so here we are, everyone. So we will have more videos. Hope you guys like and enjoy. Shivan will start the briefing. Yes, Shivan.
Alright guys, so today we are going to Madha. As you know, it's part of Sharjah, so let's keep the hooligans on the road a little down. We'll just tone it down for a bit. Okay, so once we'll be hitting the highway, we'll be cruising, and the lead car is the RHO, the truck.
That truck will be the leading car of tonight.
And sweep will be
Okay,
Aslam.
I will be on the last, so no one should be behind me.
Yeah, the
And
Black
no one
Challenger.
should
the
be.
Black Challenger.
Black Challenger is there as there you can see.
So don't keep too much of a distance, but keep the safe distance. That's the key. And watch out for the radars and everything. There are too many these days. And again, as Shiban said, there are a lot of checkings and checkpoints and undercover CIDs and police there. So let's not do any revving, any burnouts or any racing, anything like that. Not at all, because still we have, I think, 3 or 4 guys who are already impounded.
Yes.
So if you want to ask how it feels, guys are here.
For everyone,
Yeah.
Sorry?
as an example, one of the guys.
So your car is impound. So hope everyone heard everything. No burnout, no wrapping. Please take care on the road. And we are taking the Khurfakan road, right?
Yes.
Khurfakan road. Okay.
So guys, just to reiterate the points again, we'd go at a max speed of 135, no overtaking the leader, which is the RHO, no lagging behind the sweeper, that is the Black Shock Challenger black color. Again, no revving, no sudden swerves, no drifting, no back tune crackles, nothing of that sort. We don't want any incidents on our drive. We're going there to have a good time. Let's come back with a happy smile on our face.
Okay.
And
Best of
please
luck,
keep the
everyone.
left lane.
And
Sorry.
wait, bikers, either you be...
Biker.
Yes, how do you want to go ahead?
Arch will be leading. today.
Harsh is reading.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys are following Harsh.
We're going to be following you.
Yes.
So
Watch out for the
why
lanes.
Junaid, why we cannot do like biker will be on the lead?
No. Bikers, stay away from the car convoy. Either be at the front or be
in the front.
behind us. Where you guys want to be? At the
We'll be
front?
in the front. Watch out for the signals. Anyone taps their head, watch out. Tapping head doesn't mean only the police or the danger is in front. We'll tap near the cameras as well, so you guys can align with your speedometers down on the line. Nobody gets a fine. We'll make sure. We'll try to minimize the fines on this ride for you guys.
Okay.
Enjoy, chill. Let it be on us. We'll handle the head of it.
Okay.
And keep the fast lane clear, guys.
Yep.
Just let's not block all
No
the
driving
lanes.
on the
Keep-
fast
yeah.
lane.
Yeah.
No driving on the fast
Cool,
line.
guys, any
And-
questions?
Any question?
Walkie-talkie is just
Sorry,
channel
are we
10.
expecting there to be police and CID out tonight? Or?
No, we're going to Oman. The thing is, the places where we're going, it's touristy place.
Right,
So over there, if they see a lot of loud cars, automatically someone could call the police in.
right,
So
okay.
there could be chances that way.
Yeah, that's what
We're
I'm
not
not trying to
expecting
go
them.
into the lion's den with the
No.
cars.
We're
you know
not
what I mean?
expecting them.
Yeah,
But
right, okay.
we just have to be a bit careful.
Right,